What's up YouTube? So I'm currently on the way, or about to leave, to Will's house with my S2000. This is probably the last day I'll have an F20C and a 9,000 RPM redline. So I'm gonna head there and we're gonna go get going on the F22 swap. So the plan is we're gonna try to knock it out in one day. At least Will says we can do it in one day, 2 days max. And we're planning to just use the stock Ap1 ECU that's in it right now just to get home. I have a Link ECU, but I didn't want to bother with tuning and base mapping over there, so we're just going to take it home on the stock ECU. So yeah, anyways, I'll catch up with you guys later. Okay, everything is unhooked from the car, so we're going to drop the engine out the bottom. It's got the shifter and all this stuff unhooked. At least we think so.
We'll put this in the same bag with AC.
But it's fueling.
Yeah, just right fuel and AC.
So we have to replace the engine mount. Thank you, Brandon. I have a two-piece. Did you notice a difference with this shit on? No.
Stop feeling sampled.
Oh. Okay, day 2. We're supposed to put the engine in today. There's the old one. Here's the new one. We were able to find engine mounts from Brandon, thank you. My previous ones were screwed. It's time. Ooh. Okay, so engine is in, and then we are just buttoning up everything, like suspension, drive shaft and all that, and then we will add the fluids and start. Here's the new engine mount. Hopefully it's not buzzy, but yeah. The view from up top. There's the new motor. There's Will's S2000. He's still browsing Marketplace.
We need Red Bull.
Okay. quiet motor. That's a good sign. And that's the first rollout with a F22. We'll see if the heater works.
Yeah, it's already blowing.
So this is the first drive. For anyone wondering what those engine mounts are like, it's not bad. So it's like rubber. It's definitely stiffer than stock. And I definitely didn't have any to begin with. We have 3 bars on the temp gauge. Please, no 4th bar. Alright, so finally back home. Got the S2000 in the garage. Sorry, gotta walk around. But yeah, it is 9:30. Brought the car to Will's on Friday, and we are home on Saturday with a new 2.2 swap. So this is one of those swaps that honestly I thought, we'd run into some hiccups besides the fact that my engine mounts are broken. I mean, nothing went wrong, which I think is kind of rare. But yeah, very plug and play, and a huge improvement over my coughing baby F20C. So yeah, anyways guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope to take this out on track soon. I do have to get it realigned and do some suspension work, but yeah, should be good. So I'll see you in the next one.